Hey, what's up, guys? Brought you another video of honest reviews, and this is Logitech M331 Silent Mouse. Let's check out if it is good for you or not. So, I wanted a wireless mouse for around 1000 rupees, and after a lot of searching, I finalized this one. Checked its feature, liked it, and bought it. Now, let's open it up and see if it is really worth it or not. And this is our main product, looking very good. Let's keep it aside and see what else we have here. So we have this cover with some instruction inside it, and it is showing how to get the mouse running and how to connect it to the laptop. Also, there are some features written over the back side here. Over 90% noise reduction, same click feel, no click noise. So this is the main feature of this mouse, that you won't get any click sound. But if you find that sound satisfying, this is not the one for you. Also, it has 10-meter range and smooth and accurate cursor control. And company claims that you will get a 24-month battery life without replacing the battery. And next we have this paper full of words that we won't read. Coming back to our main product, the Logitech M331 Silent Wireless Mouse. The quality really feels good in the hand. It is made of plastic but has rubber covering on the sides. Also, there is some texture design on the rubber part which makes it look cool. And on the right side, there is a curve to place your thumb, which makes it ergonomic and very easy to hold. The size of this mouse is little small, but this curve on the side makes it very comfortable to use. On the back, we have the product name on the top, M331, and then we have our power on button. And below that, there is an invisible optic sensor, so there will be no red or blue color light coming out of it. And then we have our battery compartment, which has a single AA size battery along with place to keep our receiver. And here we have a 2.4 GHz wireless receiver, and it has a Logitech branding on the top, which also looks good. Now let's remove this arrow-shaped plastic from the battery to get the mouse working. After turning on, this green LED light on the top started glowing. So let's connect the receiver to a laptop to check how good this mouse actually is. Yeah, it is actually quite nice. Cursor control is good and I'm not feeling any lag while moving the mouse. Scroll is also good and clicks are very silent. Actually, there is a little sound like pressing a button inside it, but not like a normal clicky sounding mouse. It is very silent. I am using this ergonomic kind of design for the first time, and it just feels so much more comfortable in the hand due to this curve on the side. Coming back to its main feature, the silent clicks. Let me show you a comparison between a normal mouse and this one. So here we go. So as said before, we are really having 90% less sound comparing to a normal mouse, but it's not totally silent. There's a little bit sound coming like a button tap, but it's fine, can't complain about it. So if you are looking for a wireless mouse with 1000 rupees in your pocket, you can definitely go for this one. Totally worth it for its ergonomic design, cursor control, and of course the silent clicks. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one.